Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You need admin elevation to avoid error 740, so start by running command prompt as administrator. Once done, verify the exact executable path and remove problematic spaces or wrap the path in quotes. You should also check that user account control is not blocking the elevation. Adjust temporarily if necessary. These steps force the command to run with the required privileges, which is the usual cause of the 740 code. So get elevation and correct the command string before continuing. Now you'll handle the middle complexity. If running as admin doesn't work, try runAs to explicitly invoke another account. Type runAs/user, administrator your command, and supply credentials. Alternatively, prefix with cmd/c to ensure proper parsing, or create a scheduled task set to run with highest privileges and trigger it immediately. Make sure group policy or local security policy isn't preventing elevation. These methods achieve elevation in different ways, so pick the one that fits your environment. Finish by running the command with the confirmed elevation and check the return code. A 0 means success. If error 740 persists, open Event Viewer and look under Windows Logs Application or System for detailed messages that explain why elevation was blocked. Once resolved, revert any temporary UAC loosening and document the permanent solution for future use. A key tip: if nothing shows, try creating a minimal script that reproduces the call to isolate which parameter triggers the elevation failure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.